Hello guys, this is Michael from Scooter King. We have a very special day today. We brought gifts for Cleetus McFarland and his employees. This is a surprise for his employees, so we have to be very discreet, close doors and everything. Hopefully they will like it. We brought them 18 two-stroke genuine roughhouse 50s. This is the fastest 50cc scooter that you can purchase right from the factory. It goes up to 50 miles an hour and I'm sure it will be tested. Let's enjoy the video, and it will be released probably after Cleetus's because we need to wait for the reveal. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. First one assembled. 17 to go. This is beautiful. I don't know nothing about the helicopters, but I'm sure you guys can appreciate it as well. For sure you can see everything about it on Cleetus's channel. But this is super nice.
Quick update guys, most of the bikes are fully assembled. They still keep working on it. Of course the bikes doesn't come like this. The scooters comes without the front wheel, without the mirrors, no battery, there is no fuel in it, very little bit of oil. We need to assemble it always. Of course 50cc scooters like this comes with a restriction. It wouldn't be a Cleetus or McFarland Racing if we would leave their restrictions, so we're removing the restriction to unlock the full speed, checking the tire pressure, put the fuel, test drive, and they're good to go.
So the plan is we're gonna surprise 20 of our employees. 2 of them are getting like normal electric scooters, and then 18 of them are getting these, and they're all gonna have helmets on, and we're gonna open the door and just
let them out.
Chaos.
Let them out chaos.
I mean, a lot of racetrack stuff, you know, you need like a quick scooter that you can rip around on. A lot of guys have those electric scooters, but these are nice because you can put a basket on them or something and take tools with you.
Sure, you have a compartment under the seat, so whatever tools, I guess, you know.
And they run on gas. You can take them to the gas station if at a race versus the other things. So
let's see now. You know who's gonna win the race? The smallest person. You know, the lightest,
or
the smallest.
Or the one with the bravest.
The bravest
so
one
we'll
who's
see.
not gonna let off.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Thank you.
You're gonna enjoy it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we'll see you around.
Thank you. That's it guys for today. We finished all those scooters. They are all ready to go. Let's see how the employees of the Freedom Factory are gonna enjoy it. Look forward to more videos like this and more nice projects and cool things on the YouTube Scooter King channel. Thank you very much.